Hello friends, this is Mrs. Thompson. I hope that you're enjoying your day today. I thought we would read another book. This one is called The Little Excavator. This is him. By Anna Dewdney. This is the author and the illustrator, I believe. The author is the person who writes the words. The illustrator is the person who draws the pictures. So the title of the book is The Little Excavator. So here's our front cover. And here's our spine of the book. And here's the back cover. This says, "Meet Little E, an excavator with enormous heart." What do you think this book is about besides the excavator? Do you think it's about something he may do? Let's see. Oh wow, look at all of this. Here come the big rigs, rolling down the street. Thumpa, thumpa, bumpa, bumpa, beep, beep, beep. Big rigs is another word for trucks. These are big rigs. Do y'all see the little excavator? Yep, there he is. Can you see little E ready on the spot? He's the little excavator working on the lot. This is called a lot, this open space. Wham! Goes the dozer, knocking down the walls. There he goes. Rumble, rumble, crumble, crumble. Fall, fall, fall. Look at all of those bricks. Look at little E. He's like, oh. Little E is busy. He goes, bam, bam, bam. Uh-oh. Little excavator, now you're in a jam. What do you think he was trying to do here? Yeah, he was trying to do it himself and scoop up the walls too, like bulldozer. And then he fell. But the dozer was there to save him. Grrrm. Goes the loader, lifting up the trash. Pusha, pusha, smusha, smusha, smash, smash, smash. There goes loader. Put it all into that dump truck. Where's little E? Yep, there he is. He's looking. He's like, What do you think he's going to try and do now? Maybe. Let's see. Let's turn the page. Little E tries lifting up some junk. See, he lifts up. He's on his tippy toes, but oh no, tumbles over. But there goes little Excavator, over with a clunk. Aww. Looked like he hurt himself. Goes the dump truck with a load to lug. Thunka, thunka, clunka, clunka. Chug, chug, chug. Where's little E? Where's the little Excavator? There he is. He's looking like, See what happens. Little E just wants to lug all day. It looks like he's trying to do it. Look out, little Excavator. Don't get in the way. He's trying to pull it, but he's holding up the dump truck. Let's see what happens next with him. Brrrp goes the backhoe, digging in the dirt. Clank, clank, bang, bang. Work, work, work. Oh, so look at little Excavator. He looks and sees. What's he doing? Yes, they're both digging. What do you think they're digging the holes for? You think they're trying to put in those holes? Yes. Trees. Good job, friends. Little E is helping too. He can dig, dig, dig. Oh no. He tiptoed right over into that hole. Not yet, little Excavator. Someday, when you're big. Has someone never told you you have to wait until you're big? Or when you're older? Yeah. Where goes the tall crane, rising to the sky. Whoosh, whoosh, swoosh, swoosh. High, high, high. Here goes the crane. Has it up. Let's see what happens. What do you think the little E is going to do? You think he's going to try and do that too? Let's see. Little E is stretching. He gets tall, tall, tall. It's way on its tippy toes. Sorry, little Excavator. You're too small. Uh-oh. Look at little E. Do you think he is happy? No. See what happens next. Now there's one last job, and the busy day is done. But no big rig can do it. Not a single one. Look at the lot. They changed it. They put trees and a place to park your car and a gazebo with a picnic table, and there's more picnic tables. There's benches for you to sit. There's a small little pond and a bridge that connects it to an island. But these big rigs can't do this last job. I wonder who can do it. They're too big, but they need someone small. Wonder who can do it. Everyone tries it, and it's much too tight. Oh no, look what they're trying to do. They're trying to get onto that bridge, but they're too big. Oh, who do you think fits just right on that bridge? Maybe. Let's see if little E can do it. But can it be? Little E fits just right. Look what he's going to plant. What do you think kind of tree that is? It's got some red fruit on there. An apple tree. Good job, you guys. Good job, little excavator. Time to take a bow. Look, he did. He put the tree in and he takes a bow because he's done. There's work to do just for you, here and now. How do you think the little excavator feels? Happy, very good, or proud? He did it all by himself. He may be small, little E, but you will grow. You're a mighty little excavator. Go, go, go. Look at all of them. They're smiling for him. He's smiling very big. He is very happy and proud of himself. The end. I hope that you enjoyed this book today, my friends. Today, I want you to write about the little excavator and what do you think else he can do because he's small? What else do you think he can do? He planted a small tree. He walked over a small bridge. What else small do you think he can do? Do you think maybe he can make a puddle? Or do you think he can make a small road? What do you think he can do? Hope you enjoyed this book today, friends. Have a great day. Bye.